Something wrong? You're not ready?
No, I'm ready. Go, 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 go. Right, go, go, go.
So it's just us, so we can do our own thing. You good? You guys are the new and improved. You go first. I'm good.
You're already ahead.
Oh, come on!
Go, 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 go. Vamos, vamos. You gotta move back, man.
What the?
Oh no!
What the hell happened?
My throttle got stuck. What?
Fucking man. Great.
Throttle stuck? Ah!
Come on, man. Tell me when you're gonna go, Frank.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'll join up with you. Go ahead. I'm with you. I don't. It's like the throttle was pinned, or do you? Don't forget I'm old and fat, so I can't keep up with you as easily. There we go. I don't know what it was, but go ahead, I'll be behind you.
I'm gonna go the other way and I'm gonna try and go the
Okay.
see how well it handles it.
I have no clue. That's. Once you go by, I'm gonna blast from the left.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I'm doing a low pass from the left. Low pass from the left.
30 seconds.
What happened?
Did you?
It locked me. I couldn't steer it out of it.
The throttle locked?
No, the pole was okay. The pole was me.
The steering wheel.
The steering wheel got locked on me.
7, 6, 5.
Low pass from the left.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Okay, Frankie, I'm landing.
Gear down.
Landing! I'm landing from the right. Thing sounds amazing, Frankie.
Landing flaps.
Good balancing. Is it okay, Ryan?
No,
God, who's smoking?
broken quite bad. It went full, it went full speed into the pole.
Flaps up.
You gotta come in or you good? Oh, I see it now.
Steering got locked.
Were you holding up?
Hmm?
Were you holding up?
Eventually, yes. The reason why I got the throttle all in is because I was trying to just to get out of the ground and fix it.
Yeah. Frankie, that's awesome.
1 minute over.
Appreciate it, man.
It's 2 down. Oof. Alright, stop this.